Guys, you are watching Vijay's Classroom. So, as we know, Wings 1 examination is happened to move the TCS Ninja to digital. So, we conducted the Selenium T12 tech. So, we are continue that the previous year MCQ question. So, if you need, then please watch the lecture. So in the previous video we can cover the 5 questions. So now we can cover to the 6 question. So question number 6 is what is the Selenium? Select the option. So Selenium is the open source test automation tool to test the web based device. Only supports the JavaScript. Selenium is the open source test automation tool to web based device to support the many different language like Java, Python, Perl, PHP, Ruby, etc. And third option is Selenium is a behavior testing tool that supports many different languages like Java, Python, Perl, Ruby. So the correct option is option B. So Selenium is a open source test automation tool to test the web-based device. Test what is we need to test open source device to support various different languages Java, Python, Perl, PHP, Ruby, etc. So this is the correct option. So number 7. So 7 question is what do you mean by the open source software? So what is mean by open source software? So open source software is the software that accumulate access to the world with the source codes, which means it is available for use and modify. Option B is open source software to test they are easy to use and where the code is stored as publicly responsible and it is comes within the distributed uh, licenses. And option C is all of the above. So the open source software means, so option A and option B is the correct. So option C is the right answer of this question. So number 8, what is the UI testing? So this is the UI testing question. So UI testing is web based testing. It is the mechanism that's testing the features of the software using the internal with the including of the fonts and color and design. And second option is web based UI to test the mechanism for testing and perform of the software, but is does not cover the testing of the fonts and color. So option B is not possible. It testing the fonts and color. So option A is the right answer. So UI testing is the mechanism to test the features of a software with the user interactions, including the font, color, and design. Thanks for watching. If you need this type of content, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a nice day.